Okay, we are going to use 1920 by 1080, and I'm going to save it to my computer, and you can give it whatever name you want. And let's create our project. So here is our work area, game. We're going to add a new object, and it's going to be a sprite, and we'll call this sprite the hero. And we're going to add an animation, and we'll create in Piskel. And since it's almost November, let's make a jack-o'-lantern. Delightful. Okay. So this is our animation 0 pumpkin. And I'm going to give it a behavior, a platform character. So this is where it's going to do your running and jumping and all your controls. You can play with these. And I'm going to drop my hero in. And then I'm going to make a platform, add new object, sprite, call this platform. Add an animation. I'm just going to call this platform. And I'm going to just create a little platform. And the behavior I'm going to give it is a platform. Apply. And now I'll drop in a platform. Okay, so now I'm going to hit preview. And I hit my space bar, and he jumps. Left and right arrow, and he moves. Awesome. So just for fun and giggles, let's go back to our platform, and let's remove this behavior. So it no longer has this platform behavior, so it's no longer has the physics of a platform. And we'll preview, and he just falls through. So we need to make sure and give it a behavior to make it be able to stand. Okay, I'm going to grab this platform and copy it, and then I'll add a few more. Looks good. And then let's preview. Make sure he can make all the jumps. And he can. And that's good. Okay, Next thing let's do is add a coin. Sprite. We'll call this coin. Add animation. Create with Piskel. Move it over a little bit. And big money. Okay. Apply. And now I've got a coin here. And I'll do another coin here. And we'll play. And it does not do anything. So what we want to do is have the pumpkin touch the coin, and then the coin disappears. And we are going to do that with a collision. A collision is an event, so it's something that happens. And to start with our events, we click on Events. And then see up here, this says at the beginning of the scene. So right here at the beginning of the scene, anything you put in here is going to automatically happen. And we don't want it to automatically happen. So we're going to add a new event. And our condition is like our action, and then our action is actually like the reaction, right? So if the condition happens, then the action occurs. So for example, if you lit your hand on fire, would be a condition. Your hand would burn would be the action. So our condition is going to be the hero is in collision, and collision just means touching, with the coin. So when our hero is in collision with the coin, we want the coin to delete. So I'm just going to type in delete, delete the object, coin. Hit OK, and let's preview it. So again, when the hero is in collision with the coin, so when the hero touches the coin deletes. And it works. So that's pretty good. All right. Next thing I want to do, let's go ahead and add another action. And this time, let's have it play a sound. Actually, I'll type in sound. Play a sound. And I'm going to click on this create with JFXR. And now we can, whoa. Now we can create a sound. So let's go ahead and, there's a pickup coin sound. I'm going to save it. Hit OK. So now, when the hero collides with the coin, it's going to delete the coin and play the coin sound. Let's check it out. And it did it. So that is cool. Let's go back. And let's add an enemy. So I'm going to add new object, create a sprite, and I'll call this bad guy. I'm going to add an animation, create with Piskel, and I'll make a little Halloween ghost. Very, very creepy ghost. Okay. Apply. And now I'm going to create a collision with this bad guy so that when the pumpkin touches the bad guy, it makes him start over from the beginning. So to do this, we're going to go to our, well, actually, let me just show you right now what's happening. So that's working. And this does nothing, just like it did with the coin. So we're going to go to our events, and we're going to add a new event. And it's going to be very similar to this, right? Hero is in collision with the coin. Instead, we're going to go hero is in collision with the bad guy. So add condition, hero is in collision with the bad guy. So when the hero is touching the bad guy, we want him to go back to the beginning of our scene. And right now our scene is called Untitled. So we're going to go change the scene. And we're going to go Untitled scene. Okay. And preview it. So this is our starting point. When the scene starts, when the game starts, this is what's happening. So then we do our things, and it's all great. And then hopefully when I touch the ghost, it's going to reset everything. And it does. So that's good. Excellent. All right, last thing let's go ahead and do is let's change the background color to a more like, I don't know, soupy, green, swampy, ghosty mess. All right, that is it for now. But that's how you do it.